Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Deepak Nair. Eicher has set another benchmark in the commercial vehicle industry by our revolutionary BS6 solution UTEC 6. For the last 6 years, Eicher has already manufactured over more than 1 lakh plus Euro 6 base engines and supplied to Volvo Group. These engines is running in 41 different countries across the globe. Eicher Pro series of BS6 heavy duty tipper is available in a very wide range, starting from 18.5 ton to 35 ton GVW, and this is packed with industry first innovative features as well. The tipper segment is rapidly evolving and becoming more demanding in terms of fuel efficiency, better turnaround time and higher uptime, along with drivers' comfort and safety. From Eicher, we would like to offer you the Pro 6028 tipper, built on the philosophy to do more. Pro 6028 tipper is the next generation 28 ton 6x4 tipper, which is built on targeting segments like blue metal, sand, stone quarry, limestone, irrigation, earthwork, iron ore, port as well as coal applications. This vehicle is available in CBC as well as 3 fully built options. It comes with 16 cubic meter and 20 cubic meter box body and 14 cubic meter rock body in wheelbases of 4000 as well as 4585 mm. Continuing with the core DNA of mileage ka Badshah, this vehicle is designed to deliver 5% better fuel efficiency in the category with proven VDX8 6-cylinder engine with Volvo Group's engine management system and a vanadium based compact box type heat system. This vehicle comes with a power of 260 HP at a lower RPM of 2200 and an enormous flat torque of 1000 Nm with a wide range of RPM. This vehicle comes with intelligent feature like fuel coaching, which will give you real-time driving guidance, and also M-Booster Plus to optimize your acceleration and maximize fuel efficiency. This vehicle also comes with energy-saving components like ESS compressor and Viscotronic fan, which help your vehicle to reduce parasitic and mechanical losses. Pro 6028 tipper is designed to deliver up to 10% better turnaround time. This vehicle will help you to do more in your business with its higher power to weight ratio and torque to weight ratio, which will help to maintain an average speed, ensuring better pickup. The lower turning circle diameter, superior gradability and high torque wheels ensures faster turnaround time. This vehicle is also supported with an inter-axle differential lock, which ensures easy operation on a slushy surface and faster turnaround. As downtime is the biggest cost for any transporter, Pro 6028 comes with a superior uptime throughout the life cycle of the vehicle. With its robust driveline and reliable aggregates, the vehicle is available full time to do more in business. Advanced onboard diagnostics displays audio and visual fault signals for preventive maintenance. 4-way engine protection system ensures engine safety, low maintenance and longer oil drain intervals gives the customer a peace of mind. Fully equipped Eicher service network, site support and innovative uptime center ensures maximum availability of the vehicle to do more. Eicher Pro 6028 tipper provides more comfort and enhanced safety for the drivers with its AIS 029 crash assisted cabin and all side view mirrors for enhanced safety. Ergonomically designed cabin with improved suspension, cruise control, 6-way adjustable driver seat, tilt and telescopic steering, and heat, ventilation and air conditioning for a fatigue-free longer drives. This vehicle also comes with an intelligent driver information system which continuously guide the driver on vehicle's operational parameters. With our many lifetime support solutions, we offer you a peace of mind, and I can promise you that you will have a seamless driving experience from the day you decide to buy your vehicle and to the day you decide to sell your vehicle. For any queries, log on to aishartrucksandbuses.com. You can also call us on our Aisher Care number 1800 102 3531.